So you might be looking for a way to copy your slides from one presentation here to another. So this one is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to make sure that the presentation that you want to copy and the document or the presentation that you want to copy your slides into is actually open on your browser. So first is we have this presentation here that we want to copy. And now we also have the second presentation here that we want to copy our presentation to. So what we need to do is you first need to select your slides here that you want to make a copy for. So in this case, you can actually select this slide here. Now, if you want to select multiple slides here, you can just press and hold Control and select all the slides that you want to copy. As you can see right now, they are highlighted. Now, all you need to do is you want to go and just press Control C in your keyboard. Control C, I just pressed that. You want to go to the second presentation here. You want to paste or add the slides for and just press on Control V in your keyboard. And as you can see right now, we've just imported our slides. Now you can also click on the match style in this presentation or keep original styles here. If you don't want to change anything, just going to click on keep original styles. And as you can see, now we've just added them. Now just going to click on Control C. Now just in case, you can press Control C or Control V on your keyboard. You could actually basically right click on your highlighted slides here and you just need to click on copy and go back to the second presentation, and you want to right click on an empty space here and you want to go and choose the paste option and the same thing and choose the match styles or keep original styles here. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.